Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is C programming. So friends, I have already discussed that what is C language and how to compile and how to create a structure of C languages. Now we need to know that input, okay, compilation executions I have already discussed, and I also discussed that what is C program, C keyword. Also, I discussed something auto, break, double, int. Okay, so I have already discussed this is and code. What is the variable name? Variable name is a any combinations 1 to 31 alphabets, digits, underscores. Some compilers allow variable names whose length could be up 247 characters. Okay, so types of C variables. Types of C variables is the we saw earlier an entry that may vary during program executions is called variable. Okay, so variable names are names given to location in memory. So friends, you need to know C constant. Okay, what is the C constant? One is primary, another is secondary constants. Okay, C constants are two types. One is C constant because integer arithmetic operator of integer is also constant. So we need to know C constant because theory is also important for knowledge. That's why I discuss that C constants are two types. One is primary constants, primary constants. Another is secondary constant. Okay, so this is two type of constant. Primary constant is integer constant, real constant, and character constant. Real constant in here, real, integer, and character. And secondary constant, array. Array is the secondary constant. Pointer, structures, and union, etc. Okay, so this is the C constant, etc. So now integer we use int. Okay, so hash include stdio.h. We start this way, and after that I use int main. Okay, int main. If you use void main, then you can use another math.h, another library function, another function is the void main. So I don't need to use void main, I just use simple int main. Okay, now I am putting two values, int x equals to 12, okay, and y equals to 4. Here I discuss also two program because you can understand total. Okay, so print f sum percentile d slash n x plus y. So what you get, sum percentile, this is the binding operator, these two are binding operator, this both are binded. So you get the result 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. And now when I write printf difference percent d slash n, then we get output is difference equals to 4 minus 12 minus 4 equals to 8. So my output is, output you can see what is my output. Output when after compilation we get output x, we see x equals to 12, y equals to 4. So difference sum equals to sum, it can be written this way, sum equals to 16, because printf means it is printing sum equals to 16. Also 12 minus 4 equals to 8, and print product equals to percentile d. Must remember when we use int character, so we need percentile d is the percentile d. We use percentile d. When we use float, then we use percentile f. So we use percentile a, percentile d, and quotient equals to percentile d. When we find out quotient means 412 divided by 4, that means quotient equals to 3. Okay, remainder equals to 0, and return 0, return 0, and it is the closed is my second bracket, this is the two brace. Okay, and this is the last brace is closed. So my program is complete. I hope if you check it in computer, then you get same value, because the int arithmetic operators or integer is int is the arithmetic integer. Next is calculation of simple interest. Okay, calculation of simple interest. Now percentile d, what is the meaning of the percentile d? I have already told that percentile d is equal to print, for printing integer value we use for printing format string. This is called also format string. This is called format string, and list variables. Printf, when you write printf, then you write this way, printf operator, printf, then you write, okay, I just write fresh way, that printf, when you write printf, okay, print is small, everything is small. Okay, printf, then you write format string. and list of variables, okay, and list of variables. So list of variables we can write in this way. So friends, you can check in here same facts that format string, when we used, you see the double dash in here, you see that this proportion, okay, I just mark it in red color. This portion is my format string, format string, or and this portion is my list of variables, okay, this is my list of variables. In case of printf hash include stdio.h printf functions, I have already told that first is format string and second is variable, list of variables, second is list of variables, okay, list of variables, second is list of variables, the format string and list of variables. So friends, I hope it is clear. So you in here you see that I calculation of simple interest. How can I can calculate same facts I am doing, that includes hash include stdio dot h and void main. I don't need int main, and start program start and int equal to p comma n. P comma n is two variable. Okay, p comma n is two variable and float. In here I used another 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 printing character value. Float means printing real values, okay. Format string, another format string, float. Okay, in here float, f is equal to percentile f is float, means printing real values, okay, printing real values. Please write my program, those who don't know. So printing real value, so it is. So friends, now we try to discuss this programming. So the first printf output the message enter values of p comma n comma r on the screen. Here we have not used any expression in printf, okay, which means the using expression in printf is optional. And note that the ampersand 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 this is the ampersand, okay, ampersand before the variables in the scanf function is a must, okay, before the scanf this is the scanf variable, this is the must, this is must ampersand, and address of operator, this is means address of operator, address of operator. It gives the location number used by the variable in memory. When we say addressing a, we telling scanf, we are telling scanf at which memory location should it store. the value supplied by the user from the keyboard. The detailed working of the add operator. Okay, so the detailed working, I will discuss the detailed working and operators, okay, in my next video. So I hope that you can understand this portion. So note that a blank is creating using a space bar, tab, tab key, and new line using the enter key. So friends, I hope I can clear our our class. I will create next video. Next day I will create next video, you, because you know that I will create C programming video every day for learner, because it is very important for all of us and it is very large topic. Thanks for watching.